Parsley is a nutritious herb that is widely used in cooking for its flavor and aroma. However, did you know that parsley also offers numerous health benefits? From promoting healthy digestion to boosting immunity, parsley has surprising health benefits that you might not be aware of. In this video, we will explore 7 of these surprising health benefits of parsley that make it a nutritious herb for all seasons. 1. Rich in nutrients. Parsley is a nutrient-dense herb that contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and potassium. It also contains antioxidants that help protect the body against free radicals that can cause cell damage and contribute to chronic diseases. 2. Supports kidney health. One of the most significant benefits of parsley is its ability to support kidney health. Parsley contains compounds that help reduce the risk of kidney stones and support proper kidney function. Drinking parsley tea or juice regularly can help promote healthy urine flow and prevent urinary tract infections. 3. Aids in digestion. Parsley has been used as a digestive aid for centuries. It contains enzymes that help break down food and promote healthy digestion. Additionally, parsley contains fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Parsley has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for people with conditions like arthritis, asthma, and allergies. 5. Boosts immunity. Parsley is high in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps protect against infections and diseases by boosting the production of white blood cells. 6. Promotes healthy skin. Parsley contains antioxidants that help protect the skin against damage from UV radiation and pollution. Additionally, the high vitamin C content in parsley can help promote collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin. 7. Lowers blood pressure. Parsley contains compounds that help lower blood pressure levels. Drinking parsley juice regularly can be beneficial for people with hypertension. There are several ways to incorporate parsley into your diet. You can add parsley leaves to salads, soups, and stews. You can also make parsley tea or juice by blending fresh parsley leaves with water. Celery and parsley juice is a popular combination that offers even more health benefits. In conclusion, parsley is a nutritious herb that offers numerous health benefits. From supporting kidney health to promoting healthy skin, incorporating parsley into your diet can help improve your overall health and well-being. So why not add some parsley to your meals and reap the benefits of this nutrient-dense herb?